Yo, yo, good day. Today is way two of this accountability vlog. Just to be completely transparent, I did not do my most important task, which was to finish elucidatory axioms by today. But I was able to finish from 25% to 51%. The reason why I'm not finishing today is one, I was busy the whole day, did ministry work. I could have finished it actually had I uh not procrastinated the shower once I got home after like a long travel. Like that is something I want to fix. But I did do work. I ate dinner outside, and while waiting, I was watching the lecture and also while eating as well. So that's good. Um what I do understand is that it's pretty late. It's like 10:20 p.m. right now, and I want to lock in on my health and my sleep, fix my sleep schedule. Speaking of sleep, I fixed my health tracker. I adjusted it to be more suitable for me. So if you want, the link is in the description if you want to adjust it. Because like I like how like I can just anytime during the day I can put what time I woke up at, what time I slept last night, and it will automatically calculate how much sleep I was. So for example, I woke up let's say it's 10 p.m. 10 a.m. right now, and I can say, oh, I woke up at 8 a.m. and I slept at around 10 p.m. last night. Boom, done. It's already fixed. So I don't have to do it manually. I also put Bible reading. Thank you, Brian, for putting this. I love that. Workout, meditation, and also notes. So that I'll know how to improve my health moving forward. I know like these sound like very like unstraightforward things, but like for me and my personality, this is gonna help me a long way. And yeah. For macro work tracker, I'm still adjusting, but I was able to work for 75% focus, 70% output. Well, mainly because I didn't get to finish what I planned to do. Daily breakdown, I didn't really put much, but I guess how to improve would be don't procrastinate, shower when you arrive home. Yeah, I literally could have probably finished the lecture. Yeah. Anyway, so far so good. I also made this daily checklist so that I know what I should be doing, what I should be checking. So, warm up, daily tasks, yes, but I didn't finish the most important task. Health tracker, done. Macro work done. Health tracker, daily vlog, just gotta do this now. What else? So yeah, these are the tasks that I had today. I finished accountability vlog. Sorry, Command Control X. Shoot. What? Command Control X. What? Yeah, I'll figure this out later. Yeah, looking for so far so good. Just wanna, if you're new to this, my goal for the month of April is to finish all of the week ones and week two, and really take my time. And since it's my term break, I have a lot of time. I just need to steward it well. I want to focus on understanding because like Charlie said that as long as I lock in week one, week two, I can figure everything out. And I think this is what I need. Like the rest of the year, I think it's dependent on like these 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna give it the attention it deserves. Finish the videos, but actually understand. Hachu, sorry. Oh, bless me. No, my bad. No, I'm yapping right now. Whoa. No, I'm yapping right now, but this is how I am. I love attention to detail. My only worry tomorrow is that tomorrow's a Sunday. I want to focus on the Lord, but I guess if I can, after focusing on spending time with Him, if I can carve out time for both 1.2 and 1.3, that'd be great. If not, perfectly fine. I can just double down on Monday, see how it works. Yeah. My main realization from today was about critical information. I love how like interconnected problems and pain is. From what I learned, solutions solve problems, and by doing so, they alleviate pain. But it is packaged in a product which value is associated to it because it solves the problems that the people in the niche have. And what people are actually buying isn't the product itself, it's the critical information. So I liked when Charlie talked about how ibuprofen, you're not just buying a pill, you're buying years of research. When I was an OGT at Balance Research as an investment research consulting firm, I realized that our clients didn't buy reports, they bought research. They bought the time that was put into it. They bought the insight and the specific knowledge. So it's really cool to understand them. At least now, I don't see business as just some like marketing agency or some being a YouTuber. I see business now as just selling critical information which are accurate and appropriate to a problem. So it's like applicable to anywhere. So like if I were to write a book, I would understand now that people aren't just buying a book. They aren't buying like a leather yeah, we have the Spearman. They aren't buying a leather. They're not buying cardboard with paper. They're buying the critical information that I write into it so that they can solve a problem which will alleviate pain. And it's like, wow, it's universal. Like in ministry, going on a tangent here, but like in ministry, I realized like people aren't going there to pray. Okay, fine, they're going to pray, but then they're going there to learn critical information on how they can grow spiritually and learn more about God. They're going there for the critical information. Amazing. So, God bless you. This is my accountability. I know I haven't really been doing that much today, but I did my best. I gotta be honest with you, and see you in the next one.